Hello viewers, how are you? My name is Danish Raza and I am an HSC professional. Right now I am going to discuss permit to work system. It is a formal documented safety procedure forming part of a safe system of work which ensures that all necessary actions are taken before, during and after particularly high risk activity. Permit to work system does not replace safe system of work. It try to ensure that formal action is taken to eliminate human error. Basically, a permit to work system formulates the control of high risk activity or hazardous area by ensuring that first of all risk has been identified, then all procedures are put in place, and then all appropriate information has been communicated to relevant parties. The aim of the permit to work system is to focus everybody's attention on high risk nature of the work to ensure that the correct safety precautions are in place before, during, and after the work, and all the people who need to know about the work do actually know about it. Types of high risk nature of work controlled by permit to permit systems are hot work, means involving naked flames or creation of ignition sources, then high voltage electrical systems, then confined space entry, then operational pipelines, then excavation near buried services, then complex machinery, and working at full detail with respect to permit to work. Hope you have understand it. Feel free to contact in case of any query. Thank you.